Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you as we unveil the top 5 travel destinations of the year. Get ready to be inspired and start planning your next adventure. Kicking off our countdown at number 5 is a destination that has been gaining popularity for its breathtaking landscapes and unique cultural experiences. Welcome to New Zealand, known for its majestic mountains, pristine lakes, and adventurous spirit. From the awe-inspiring beauty of Milford Sound to the adrenaline-pumping activities in Queenstown, this place truly offers something for every nature lover and thrill seeker. Moving on to number 4, we take you to a hidden gem that has captured the hearts of travelers with its untouched beauty and tranquility. Get ready to immerse yourself in the serene landscapes and rich cultural heritage of Bhutan, the land of the Thunder Dragon. Explore the ancient monasteries nestled in the Himalayas, trek through breathtaking mountain trails, and witness the colorful traditions of this spiritual paradise. Countdown continues with number 3, a destination that needs no introduction. It's a place that has captured the imagination of travelers for centuries with its iconic landmarks, artistic treasures, and romantic charm. Welcome to Paris, France, the city of love and lights. Lose yourself in the enchanting streets of Montmartre, marvel at the grandeur of the Eiffel Tower, and indulge in the world-renowned cuisine and fashion of this cultural capital. Now, let's jet off to number 2 on our list, a destination that offers a perfect blend of adventure, natural beauty, and cultural diversity. Get ready to be awed by the majestic landscapes and warm hospitality of Peru. Explore the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu, embark on a thrilling Amazon rainforest adventure, and savor the flavors of Peruvian cuisine, known for its vibrant colors and unique fusion of flavors. Finally, we've reached the pinnacle of our countdown. The top travel destination of the year is a place that promises to take your breath away with its pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant marine life. Welcome to the Maldives, a tropical paradise like no other. Indulge in luxury at stunning overwater villas, snorkel alongside colorful coral reefs, and bask in the serenity of white sandy beaches. There you have it, the top 5 travel destinations of the year. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, these places offer experiences that will create memories to last a lifetime. So pack your bags, embark on a journey of a lifetime, and make unforgettable memories in these incredible destinations. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting travel content. Until next time, happy travels.